AIMM is a Portuguese non-profit that works towards marine research and conservation.
AIMM's research focuses on the megafauna occurring in the Algarve. Our research is directed at learning more about what species occur in our coast, as well as how they use our waters, understanding population numbers, migration patterns, along with population health and other impacts that they might be facing.
AIMM work is based in 3 pillars, so we have the research, conservation and education. We know nowadays with the data and the science we have available that the marine environment play a very important role on the ecosystem of the planet. Protecting the marine environment, we are making sure that we have all the conditions we need to live in land and to have a healthy environment and a healthy planet. For the success of our work, the research tools that we have available are really important and they can make the difference. Through our projects, we get access to work with drones, some of the most state-of-the-art models that are available in the market for commercial use. They are a very important part of our research nowadays.
They essentially allow us to see the animals from above without causing any impact to them.
To understand their group cohesion or their social structure and even count the animals.
Some responsibilities that fall on AIMM as an organization is to be able to bring this information in a digestible format for the general public.
My mission here at AIMM is to spread the amazing work that my team does, getting all that data, scientific discoveries, the sighting that my team collects from the sea, publishing and translating it so it makes sense to the general public and also to the scientific community.
Since AIMM is a non-profit organization, of course, we are always happy to receive any type of donation.
Marine research is an expensive field in many different ways and highly dependent on technology nowadays for best results. It's very difficult to fund marine science. A lot of organizations and research teams depend on donations to be able to do their work. It is quite difficult to study the marine environment, and we depend on the marine environment more than we know.
One of the overall goals that AIMM has is to gain more knowledge on the cetaceans that we have here that would help us to protect them better. We really want to be not only a national but also international reference when it comes to marine mammal conservation.
At an international level, AIMM has been working in one of the longest dolphin conservation projects in the world that is related with the interactions between fishing activities and the dolphins populations that occur in the Eastern Tropical Pacific. We work closely with research organizations, governments and the fishing industry to try to minimize the potential impacts that these activities have on the dolphins populations and how we can implement better mitigation measures that will reduce these potential impacts and help protect these animals in a better way. We really hope that our work inspires people to do better in their daily lives and that the results of our research really helps the governments to implement management and conservation measurements to protect the species. And we'll continue to do our parts and protect these animals and the marine environment.